Sunday and welcome to the News Media. Now, ladies and gentlemen, the landing of the helicopter that was carrying CS Ruku from Nairobi to Mount Kenya region in Meru to attend a state event have seriously scared some of the leaders within the Mount Kenya region during its landing. Leaders within the Mount Kenya region that are working under the government of Ruto was seriously scared after that helicopter struggled to land in Meru County. And this one reminds me when Rigathi Gachagua warned both leaders that are working in the government and out of the government to always be very careful whenever they are using air transportation in this country of Kenya to attend different events in this country of Kenya. Have you ever seen Rigathi Gachagua using helicopter too much in this country of Kenya? Using air transportation too much in this country of Kenya? Ask yourself why.
Ndadi nikibie Ladan kidogo. Sasa Ladan nisiwezi enda na gari, sasa nitaenda tu. Mungu atatuchunga. Hapa tunaenda na gari, hatuendi na mambo ya helikopta. Hapa tukiingia helikopta hii mtu atatuleta chini. Si ndio? Mimi nikiingia helikopta sikasonga atanileta chini. Alafu tutaumia kama jamii. Siwezi ingia helikopta mimi. Mimi naenda chini kama nyoka. Neguo.
I think Gachagua used helicopter once when he was going in Ukambani to visit Kalonzo. Ndiye alitumia helicopter. From that one atumiangi hiyo. Anatumianga road transportation. When Gachagua boycott helicopter, Gachagua is not a mad person.
Ososi, thank you. Tell Sifuna, you guys are growing up really fast. Very well. But I'm worried about those helicopters. Tell them, you know these guys can program those things from down here. Me, I know. My family, Dr.
Gachagua is not a mad person, and it is not that Gachagua cannot afford to use helicopter. No, it is all about safety. The landing of a helicopter that was carrying CS Ruku have seriously scared the leaders within the Mount Kenya region. Just 2 weeks ago, you had Gachagua warning Kindiki about using helicopter in this kind of Kenya.
Send word to our son, Professor Kindiki, to be careful. Hii maneno ya mandege, be careful. Be careful. Hii maneno ya chakula, be careful. Because at the end of it all,
Gachagua's network is always high. The same way Ruto used to have network under the government of Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta is the same way that Gachagua is also having deep network under the leadership of William Ruto, because Gachagua was once a deputy president of Kenya. And before we proceed, allow me to play for you a video of the helicopter carrying CS Ruku struggling to land in Meru County that seriously sends a critical message to some of the leaders that are in the Mount Kenya region, whereby right now we all know that things are not okay in the Mount Kenya region after Olkalau by-election. Can we watch the video together, my great viewers? But ensure that you like the video. When you like the video, you automatically show us your support on what we are doing on this platform. Thank you so much for that support of the like. Let us watch the video together, my great viewers.
Hiyo sasa ni raundi ya ngapi? 16. Raundi ya 16, raundi ya 16 sasa.
Si umeona? Be careful, man. In fact, all the leaders in Kenya, both in the government and outside the government, should be very careful at this particular moment where we are in political season. Very, very careful, because things are not okay. Inafaa watu wajichunge kabisa. Inafaa watu wajichunge, sio wananchi wa Kenya, our leaders. In fact, people like Edwin Sifuna, Rigathi Gachagua, Kalonzo Musyoka, Matiang'i, these famous leaders, Babu Owino, these famous leaders that are criticizing the government. Right now, you know that Mount Kenya is not good with Ruto. Seriously not good. Right now, Mount Kenya is not in good condition. It's not in good condition with Ruto. After Olkalau by election. So when Gachagua told you anything, where kuwa makini. Kwani who before William Samoei Ruto have the state address, si Gachagua alituambia kila kitu. So when Gachagua warned Kindiki not to use helicopter and to stop eating a state house, Gachagua was not mad. The network is deep. The network of Rigathi Gachagua is deep. The intelligence of Rigathi Gachagua is deep. So chunga sana when Gachagua is telling you anything under the government of William Samoei Ruto. If Gachagua want you to be very careful, just be very careful. These people, hao watu wanaweza program kila kitu hapa juu na ushangae kwani rada ni gani? Kwani rada ni gani? So let us be very, very, very careful, ladies and gentlemen. Let us pray for our leaders. God forbid, we don't want to witness another death. Oh, mara nani amekufa. No. In fact, these popular leaders within the opposition should be very careful. Should be very, very, very careful. These leaders within the Mount Kenya region. Inafaa wakuwe makini sana. Thank you so much, and may God bless you for taking your time to listen to our analysis concerning what is happening within the political space under air transportation that is now sending a critical message to all the leaders that are close to the government or that are in opposition, but they are criticizing the government of William Samoei Ruto. Tukutane kwa video itakayofuata, upenzi watazamaji wa Daniz Media. Remember to subscribe, comment, share, like the video, and don't forget to turn on notification bell for more updates daily. See you in the next video, ladies and gentlemen. Bye bye.